maikli lang to, ano? Pero mabigat. Babe, ang sabi ko noon, ang huling mamahalin ko at yung taong sasagot sa matagal ko ng tanong, tatanda na lang ba akong mag-isa or tatanda akong may kasama? And exactly 9 years kahapon, sinagot ang tanong ko na yon. And almost 7 years online together, 7 years na hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang earphones at cellphones ang nasira, napalitan. Ikaw lang hindi ko napalitan.
You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of the dust. You make beautiful things. You make beautiful things out of us. Springing up from this
I realize, at my age, oo nga pala, mag-aasawa pa ako. Pero nandun yung kaba. Paano kung hindi mag-work? Paano kung wala ring mangyari? Everything felt at stake, my plans and the chance at love. And then, as I came home, I saw your sincerity. Bisan nag-triple na gid ang akong timbang. You still love me the same. You went beyond every promise. I'm grateful for the way you take care of me, sa masasarap mong luto, sa mga cravings ko, for going with me whenever I want to go, for being with me no matter who I'm with, and for always finding ways to make things easier. Despite everything I've been through, naiwan naman ako ng mga mahal ko sa buhay, sina mama. The Lord never abandoned me. He gave me you, someone who can fill the space of what I've lost. I remember what my Tito Boy once told me. Hayaan mo na, God will give you something in return. And now I know you were that something.
Wala man na si kuya mo, wala na rin si papa mo, wala na rin si mama mo, but I know they're happy in heaven, watching you with the red gown. Yan ang pangako mo sa papa mo. Tiyak ako maligaya sila sa suot mo ngayon.
Thank you, babe, for doing everything that makes me happy, and most of all for loving James. You didn't just accept him, you gave him your time, your effort, your heart. Sa totoo lang, halos ikaw na lahat ng gumagawa. And I'm so deeply grateful for that.
Pinapangako ko that I have chosen you yesterday, tomorrow, and every day. And all throughout the days until na mag-very, very old and gray. Old naman na tayo pero mag-gray. Hindi man tayo perfecto, babe, pero may oras sa lahat para maging perfecto at buo ng tamang oras pagsasama natin at walang refund dito.